Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. My name is Dr. Muhammad Hazi. In this video, we are going to continue about the chapter 8 for the screw, particularly in chapter 8.6, bolt strength. Okay, so this content of the book is taken from Shigley Mechanical Engineering Design book, and all the pictures is taken from the book itself, and all other pictures is taken also from Google Images. For specification of standards for bolts, the strength is specified by stating SAE or ASTM minimum quantities, the minimum proof strength, the minimum proof load, and the minimum tensile strength. Okay, the proof load is the maximum load that the bolt can withstand without requiring a permanent set. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, this bolt, this is a toy bolt. Okay, if I give it the load inside it, okay, I put some load onto it, or I screw it, okay, or I screw it to become to an attachment, okay. So whether it will deform or whether it not deform, the maximum load the maximum strength is that it can withstand without deformation, okay, without deformation, okay, meaning that if I screw it and I open it and I put it again and I open it again, as long as it does not deform, it is the proof strength, okay. And then the that is the proof load, and the proof strength is the quotient of proof load and tensile stress area. So quotient is the meaning, quotient is a result obtained by dividing one quantity by the other. That is the meaning of quotient. You can search it in Google. And for the minimum tensile strength, you have learned before about the tensile strength. Okay, you have learned before in the material science class in your first year. Okay, this is the region for the tensile strength, stress over strain. Okay, then you get Young modulus from this. You get Young modulus. Okay, this is the Young modulus E. This stress over strain. This is the region for tensile strength, meaning that as long as it does not deform, okay, it is in this region of tensile strength. Table 8.9 shows the SAE specification. Okay, and it says that here that the bolt grades are numbered according to their tensile strength. Okay, with decimals used for variation of the strength, same strength level, bolt and screws are available in all grades listed. So you can see uh, the different grades of the screw, meaning that for the plastic one, of course there is no plastic screw, it's just a toy. Okay, this will represent some tensile strength. Okay, and another kind of bolt represent stronger tensile strength. Okay, and you can see, you can observe for bolts that are for higher application load, let's say for the lamp pole. Okay, this is the lamp at your, okay, this is the lamp. Okay, okay, and then at the ground side of that lamp pole there are bulb. Okay, of course this has higher tensile strength, so the grades will be higher in that table. Okay, so you can choose your bolt that you want to do with your application. Choose it accordingly. Okay, do not choose over strength, because you will not it it is you waste of money if you are choosing the wrong specification. Okay. Table 810 shows the ASTM specification. It's stated here the ASTM threads are shorter because ASTM deals mostly with structure with are generally loaded with shear. The decreased strength length provides more shank area. What does it mean? Meaning that there are two standard SAE and ASTM. For ASTM, you are using for connection loaded with shear. What is connection loaded with shear? Okay, suppose, okay, this is AN standard. I put the load like this. No, this is ASAE standard. I put the load like this and I screw it like this position. Okay, about ASTM, it will become like this, meaning that you can you imagine what I'm telling you about? Okay, the position is like this. You have the shear load here, the shear load going down. Okay, it is a shear load. So this kind of thread you should use ASTM thread, and then the diameter of the thread is also larger. Okay, because larger diameter can provide for larger support uh, of the shear load. Okay, you can imagine, okay, like this position. Okay, like this position. If I do the drawing, okay, is in this position, and then you put the attach the load here, and then this is the shear load. Okay, and this you should use ASTM screw, this position. Okay, for SAE, okay, it's like this. Okay, only the load, only the load. Okay, can you imagine what I say? Okay. Okay, table 811 shows the metric property classes for steel bolts, screws, and studs. Okay, this is the specification for metric fasteners. Okay, given in 811. Here is this specification. Logo on bolt. Okay, of course, for companies they want to show that this kind of things they are is from their company. Even your laptop, they have a company logo. Let's say from Apple, from Huawei, from Microsoft. Even your pen, this pen marker has the logo outline. Different pen marker has their own logo. Okay, so meaning that everything must should have logo. Okay, for their company. So it is important that if there is logo is missing and anything, um, it is advisable to not accept that boat. Okay, such might confirm that the boat meets exceed specification. If such much missing, the logo may be imported. For imported boat, there is no obligation to meet specification. So this is an important thing. If you are dealing with a structure that need quality, buy quality boats, and this quality boat must have logo. Okay, for any company. Okay, you can buy. But however, if your structure is not that critical, you just want to repair your house, you just want to repair minor repair that's not need for your own need, buy any logo, no problem. Okay, buy any boat, no problem. Okay. So now we are talking about the weakest point at boat. Where is the weakest point at the boat? It says here, if you read this text, it shows that the weakest point is at this point. Okay, the point that I'm pointing here. Okay, because this point, you will connect this point with a washer, and this point is related to the angle of the bolt itself. Okay, if the first one, it says that from the standard shoulder must have the concentration value for K. This is the shoulder. This is the shoulder. And for K, it says here in this text, Kf equals to 2.1 and 2.3, meaning that it's relatively sharp. Relatively sharp. But it should be connected with a washer. Okay? It should have washer, meaning if you have sharp edges and washer, your bolt is okay. But if you do not put washer, this bolt may damage at this point first. And then another point of damage is the angle thread. Okay, angle thread round out has uh, 15 degrees or half cone angle. The stress is higher at first, meaning that 15 degrees thread. Okay, so small thread, 15 degrees. Okay, the stress concentration will be higher, and then this first thread may damage. Okay, first thread may damage. The first thread that when you are tightening it, this is the first thread. Okay, this second thread, third thread, fourth thread, fifth thread, first thread, second thread, third thread, until the end. This is the point that you, when you are screwing it. Okay, when you screw it, when we come tighten, this point, the first point, give the highest load. It may damage. It may damage at this first point. Okay, the first thread. So this is the weakest point of the thread. This is the picture I taken from Google. Shows example of thread that being damaged. Broken at the middle, broken at the middle, broken at the first thread actually. This broken also at the first thread. This is broken also. Okay. Okay, about nuts. Nuts are graded so that they can be mated to their to this bolt. Okay, so nut and bolt is related. Nut, the purpose of the nut is to have it thread deflect or distribute the loads of the bolt evenly to the nut. Okay, then the nut properties are controlled in order to accomplish it. The grade of the nut must be the grade of the bolt. Okay, when you are buying the nut, and when you are buying the bolt, make sure it is the same grade. Okay, of course, because this is logic, because it will have the same tensile stress, the same tensile property, meaning that it should not break, it should not break away, it should not be damaged, because it have a slightly lower tensile stress. You can attach, no problem. Okay, also you have a slightly higher tensile stress for the nut or the bolt, no problem, but in the long run it will damage your nut and your bolt. So you should have the same grade. Okay, that's all for this video. We will see you in the next video on 8-7 tension joints, the external load. Okay, I hope you can understand. Thank you very much. Okay, see you in the next video.